Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix locked Snapchat account. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So as a part of our ongoing Snapchat tutorial series, in today's locked Snapchat account problem solving, what you're going to do is you'll go and ask for support from Snapchat. So why your Snapchat account might get locked in the first place: if you've ever hacked into someone else's account and you're using Snapchat from third-party apps like Snapchat Plus, you're using third-party plugins on Snapchat, this will make your account locked. So Snapchat will lock such accounts which are using third-party apps and using plugins. So if you're using that, delete those from your account, remove such apps and do not use Snapchat from such apps. The first thing, that's the thing you have to do at first. So try doing that and the problem might just solve on your own. So your account might get unlocked on its own. What you'll do is you go to Snapchat support. You go to accounts.snapchat.com on your browser, and here you have this unlock my account option. So you click here, and here if you've received, so what's written is, if you've received a locked account option, you should try and wait for several hours before trying to logging in. So try logging in after several hours, and if your account has been locked for extended amount of time, this is how you unlock it. But before you unlock it, first you have to uninstall any third-party apps, plugins and tweaks before trying to unlock your account. So please make sure you've done that before you're trying to unlock your account, otherwise it will not work out. Then you complete the captcha and you click on unlock. As my account is not locked, I'm not going to click on unlock, but if your account is locked, click on unlock and then go back to your Snapchat application, go back to your Snapchat app, open it up and enter your username and password and try logging in. So at this point, if you're using third-party apps, you've removed them, you've unlocked your account, then this must work. But if it does not work, what you can try and do is update the app from the App Store or your Play Store. And if you've updated the app and it's still not working, what you can do is uninstall the app. So how you uninstall is tap on the app for some time and you'll see this uninstall button. You'll uninstall the app and then try and reinstall it, and this problem might get, your account might be unlocked. And if none of this is working out for you, what you can try and do is try using a different device to log into your account. So if it works out, your problem is solved. But most probably, if you're using any third-party apps and you've unlocked your account, you've removed those third-party apps, then your account will be easily unlocked. So that's how you unlock or fix a locked Snapchat account, guys. I hope this video was of help to you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.